Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस हैं वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. The you can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. सो इन टूडेज लेक्चर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. सो आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग जो देखने वाले हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू सी सम ऑफ द रिवीजन क्वेश्चंस ऑन द बेसिक कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस. कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस के कुछ हम लोग रिवीजन क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे एंड वी विल स्टार्ट विद दैट एक्चुअल. So I will open one Word document. Basic computer maintenance. So actually the question number 1 is here. What is computer maintenance? Why does a computer need maintenance? So देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन क्या है? What is a computer maintenance? Why does a computer needs a maintenance? हम लोग इसको सेव कर देते हैं पहले. देखिए कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस जो है वो क्या होता है एंड व्हाई डज अ कंप्यूटर नीड अ मेंटेनेंस. देखिए तो हम लोग इसका आंसर लिखते हैं. द कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस refers to the actions carried out so as to keep a computer in a good state of working. देखिए कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस जो होता है वो क्या होता है? इट रिफर्स टू द एक्शंस जो कि कैरिड आउट फॉर टू कीप अ कंप्यूटर इन अ गुड स्टेट ऑफ वर्किंग. कंप्यूटर अच्छे से वर्क करे उसके लिए क्या करते हैं? कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस के रिलेटेड कुछ एक्शंस लिए जाते हैं. सो अ कंप्यूटर which is not maintained properly may run slow or prevent some programs from running or may not run at all. कंप्यूटर अगर कुछ प्रॉपरली मेंटेन ना किया हो तो इट मे रन स्लो और प्रिवेंट सम प्रोग्राम्स फ्रॉम रनिंग, और कुछ प्रोग्राम्स तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं रनिंग हो. दैट्स व्हाई computer maintenance is an important thing to be done. ठीक है. The question number 2 is why computer maintenance is necessary. कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस जरूरी क्यों है? सो कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस is necessary for the following reasons. So the first one is computer maintenance detects issues early before they become problems. Then computer maintenance prevents against viruses and malwares. The next one is the computer maintenance speeds up your computer. The next one is the computer maintenance keeps operating system and other important software like antivirus up to date. Okay, computer maintenance keeps operating system and other important softwares like antiviruses up to date. Then next one is the computer maintenance maximizes software efficiency. देखिए कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस क्या क्या करता है, why computer maintenance is necessary. देखिए कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस is necessary for the reasons like it detects the issues early before they become problems. Issues जो है regarding computer वो earlier detect करता है before they actually become problems. Then computer maintenance prevents against viruses and malwares के against वो prevent करता है. Then computer maintenance speeds up your computer, आपके कंप्यूटर को जो है वो स्पीड देता है. उसके बाद द कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस कीप्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड अदर इंपॉर्टेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स लाइक एंटीवायरसेस अप टू डेट. आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को और अदर इंपॉर्टेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स को अप टू डेट रखता है. देन कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस मैक्सिमाइजेस सॉफ्टवेयर एफिशिएंसी, वो सॉफ्टवेयर एफिशिएंसी जो है वो मैक्सिमाइज करके देता है. So this is all about the if the question is asked in final exam, you can write the answer like that, why computer maintenance is necessary. Then the next question is, what different types of tasks are carried out in computer maintenance? So computer maintenance includes, first one is physical cleaning, so as to remove dust and debris as these heat up a computer. फिजिकल क्लीनिंग मतलब क्या होता है, सो एज टू रिमूव द डस्ट एंड डेब्रिस टू हीट अप द कंप्यूटर. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द इंटरनल क्लीनिंग, so as to keep computer applications and program keep virus free. And lastly, keeping backup and updated software programs. देखिए what different tasks are carried out in computer maintenance. So first one is what, physical cleaning, so as to remove dust and debris as these heat up a computer. Then next one is the internal cleaning, so as to keep computer applications and programs keep virus free. And lastly, keeping backup and updated software programs. So the next question, that is question number 4, which we are going to study. Why should you use non-static generating vacuum cleaner for computer cleaning? So we'll write the answer like that. It is important to select a vacuum cleaner for use with computer equipment that will not generate harmful static, because electrostatic discharge harms sensitive computer components. Okay, why should you not should use the non-static generating vacuum cleaner for computer cleaning? Okay, it is important to select a vacuum cleaner for use with the computer equipment that will not generate the harmful static, because electrostatic discharge harms the sensitive components of part, like such as ports are there, then some LAN cables and their ports are there. So that's why it is necessary to use the non-static generating vacuum cleaner for computer cleaning. So the next question is, what are the things required to keep your computer cool? सो कौन कौन सी चीजें ऐसी है जो कंप्यूटर को कूल रखने के लिए जरूरी है? सो विल राइट लाइक दैट. वैक्यूमिंग डस्ट फ्रॉम द सिस्टम इज critical for keeping the computer cool. So in addition, verify that your cooling fans are blowing air in the right direction and are not working against each other. देखिए, what are the things required to keep your computer cool? So first thing is, आप लोगों को क्या करना है? Vacuuming dust from the system is critical for keeping the computer cool. So यहाँ पर क्या करता है वो? वैक्यूमिंग जो है वो डस्ट को रिमूव कर देता है आपके सिस्टम से, एंड इट विल हेल्प टू कीप योर कंप्यूटर कूल. सो उसके साथ ही इन एडिशन इट वेरीफाइज दैट योर कूलिंग फैंस आर ब्लोइंग एयर इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. आपके जो कूलिंग फैंस होते हैं कंप्यूटर के या लैपटॉप के, दे आर ब्लोइंग एयर इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, कोई अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में वो blowing air blow नहीं कर रहा है, and they are not working against the each other. So you can write the answer like that. What are the things required to keep your computer cool? Then we will see the next question. What are the common tools used to physically clean the inside of a computer? So देखिए, what are the common tools which are used to physically clean the inside of a computer? कंप्यूटर का inside area जो है physically, उसको कौन से tools जो है हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं to clean it? So the answer should be like that. The common tools for physical cleaning of inside of the computer are, first one is the compressed air, and second one is the natural Bristol brush. देखिए, कंप्रेस्ड एयर आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो और उसके साथ साथ नेचुरल ब्रिस्टल ब्रश जो है वो भी यूज कर सकते हो to keep your computer clean from the inside. Then next one is the what is computer virus? How is it harmful? A computer virus is a malicious program that self-replicates by copying itself to another program. A computer virus spreads by itself into other executable code or documents. So the purpose of a computer virus is to infect vulnerable systems then gain admin control and steal user sensitive data. देखिए, what is a computer virus? How is it harmful? Computer virus क्या होता है? The computer virus is a malicious program that self-replicates by copying itself to the another program. So a computer virus spreads itself. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर वायरस क्या होता है? हाउ इज इट हार्मफुल? कंप्यूटर वायरस क्या करता है? इट स्प्रेड्स इटसेल्फ बाय इनटू अदर एग्जीक्यूटिव कोड्स और डॉक्यूमेंट। ये खुद से क्या करता है? बाकी के अदर डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं, अदर कोड्स होते हैं, वहां पर स्प्रेड होता है। और उसका पर्पज जो होता है, दैट इज द पर्पज ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर वायरस इज टू इन्फेक्ट दी वल्नरेबल सिस्टम्स। आपके सिस्टम को जो है उसको इन्फेक्ट करना होता है एंड गेन ऑब्वियसली एडमिन कंट्रोल लेना होता है एंड इट हैव्स टू स्टील द यूजर सेंसिटिव डेटा। That's why the computer virus is harmful. question number 8 is, what is antivirus software? So we will write the answer like that. What is antivirus software? Antivirus software क्या होता है? There are a number of malicious software which are known as the malwares also, programs that can cause damage to computers. These include viruses, worms, then Trojan horses, which are also known as the Trojans, malware, spyware, etc. So एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर, देखिए पहले हम लोग ये समझ में लेते हैं कि there are the number of malicious software which are known as the malwares also programs that can cause damage to the computers. वो क्या करते हैं, आपकी कंप्यूटर्स को जो है वो हार्मफुल होते हैं. सो जैसे कि वायरसेस होते हैं, देयर आर वर्म्स, देयर आर ट्रोजन हॉर्सेस, ट्रोजन्स, malwares, spywares and so on. So antivirus software is designed to detect and block attacks from malware. So this software, when loaded, resides in memory and checks every operation if it is malicious or not. If it finds any suspicious activity, it blocks that operation and saves our कंप्यूटर. देखिए एंटीवायरस प्रोग्राम जो होता है, एंटीवायरस प्रोग्राम is designed to detect and block the attacks from malware. So this software when loaded resides in memory and checks every operation if it is malicious or not. ये क्या करता है, आपके कंप्यूटर में जितने भी अटैक्स हैं वो डिटेक्ट करने की कोशिश करता है. डिटेक्ट सक्सेसफुली द एंटीवायरस इज द लीगल एंड ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम द मालवेयर. सो ये क्या करता है, इट चेक्स एवरी ऑपरेशन इफ इट इज मैलिशियस और नॉट, एंड अगर उसको कोई सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी फाइंड आउट होती है तो इट ब्लैक्स द ऑपरेशंस एंड सेव्स आवर कंप्यूटर. सो दैट इज द यूज ऑफ एंटीवायरस. So here now we will see the question number 9. Define the following terms. Number 1, computer maintenance. Then backup, and third one is computer virus. हम लोगों ने पहले ये दो देख चुके हैं. So we will have a quick revision about it. The computer maintenance क्या होता है, देखिए, the actions which are carried out so as to keep a computer in a good state of working is known as computer maintenance. The next one is backup. ठीक है, देखिए कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस क्या होता है? द एक्शंस व्हिच आर कैरिड आउट टू कीप अ कंप्यूटर इन अ गुड स्टेट ऑफ वर्किंग, दैट इज नथिंग बट द कंप्यूटर मेंटेनेंस. Then next one is backup, creating copy of the data on computer and storing at a safe place is called as backup. देखिए जनरली क्या होता है आपके to creating the copy of the data on computer and storing it at a safe place is called as backup. आप लोगों ने अगर एंटीवायरस का अटैक सॉरी वायरसेस का अटैक होता है तो उसके लिए एंटीवायरस डिफेंड करता है, बट समटाइम्स अगर आपका एंटीवायरस आउटडेटेड होता है, वो वर्क नहीं करता है प्रॉपरली, तो इट मे हार्म योर बैकअप, दैट इज आपका जो इम्पोर्टेंट डेटा है वो पूरा का पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय हो सकता है. सो बैकअप इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिएटिंग कॉपी ऑफ डेटा ऑन कंप्यूटर एंड स्टोरिंग इट एट अ सेफ प्लेस, मे बी इट इज हार्ड ड्राइव, डिस्क ड्राइव, so that is nothing but the backup. Then next one is what? Computer virus. So a malicious program which is written to harm data and applications on computer is known as computer virus. ठीक है, a malicious program which is written to harm data and applications on a computer is known as computer virus. एक ऐसा malicious program है वो आपके डेटा को और आपके कंप्यूटर के एप्लीकेशंस को हार्म करने के लिए लिखा जाता है, and it directly going to attack on your computer if you are not having the proper antivirus, then it is called as the computer virus. So student, we have seen some of the questions regarding the basic computer maintenance. So now today we are going to start with today's quiz session. So चलिए हम लोग आज का क्विज जो है चालू करते हैं. But the book which I have prepared for today's lecture is Information Technology by Sumita Arora. I have taken the questions from it, and it is for the class 10th, which is under the code 402. So now let us start with today's quiz session. तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स आज का क्विज सेशन जो है हम लोग शुरू करेंगे. देखिए क्विज में देयर विल बी टोटली 50 क्वेश्चंस you will be having, and each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started with today's quiz. So here is question number 1 on your screen. How many sustainable development goals are there? Your options are A 48, B 169, C 15, and D 17. Your time starts now. M up. So correct answer is D17. There are total 17 sustainable development goals. So we will move towards the next question. The next question is question number 2 is how many sustainable development goals target are there? So your time starts now. सो देखिए हम लोगों ने देखा कि सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के गोल्स कितने हैं पर उसके टारगेट्स जो है दे आर 169. ऑप्शन बी 169. दैट इज टोटल 169 sustainable development goals target are there. The question number 3 is when was the sustainable development goal was built? So your option are A 2015, 2016, 2017 and 2018. So your time starts now. So the Sustainable Development Goals was built on A 2015. So the next question is here on your screen. For which year Sustainable Development Target Agenda is proposed? So the answers are A 2025, 2022, 2030 and D 2050. So your time starts now. So for the year of 2030, the Sustainable Development Target Agenda is proposed. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a pillar for sustainable development? A. Economy, B. Social, C. Environment, and D. None of the above. Your time starts now. टाइम ऑफ देखिए द ऑप्शन इज डी नन ऑफ द अबव बिकॉज इकोनॉमी सोशल एंड एनवायरमेंट ये सारे जो है दीज आर द पिलर्स ऑफ द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट एंड क्वेश्चन इज आस्क विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पिलर सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी none of the above. So question number 6 is who is responsible for developing national indicators for the SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals? Your options are A. Niti Aayog, B. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. So your time starts now. So correct answer is B. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation is responsible for developing national indicators for the SDGs. So question number 7 is here on your screen. Who is responsible for supervising the action schemes for the Sustainable Development Goals? Options are A. Niti Aayog, B. Ministry of Statistical and Program Implementation, both A and B, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Niti Aayog is responsible for supervising the actions and schemes for the SDGs. The question number 8 is here on your screen. Which of the following are qualities of an entrepreneur? So options are A. Strong work ethics, passionate, then creative, that is creative and open-minded, and lastly all of the above. So your time starts now. So, all of the above mentioned qualities are of an entrepreneur. That is strong work ethics, passionate, creative, and open minded. So, the question number 9 is here on your screen. Entrepreneur means quick wealth. It is an easy way to get rich, whether it is true or false. So, your time starts now. It is absolutely false. Entrepreneurship means does not mean that it is quick wealth and it is an easy option or way to get rich. So correct answer is false. So the next question number 10 is which of the following is not a startup option for an entrepreneur? Options are A equity financing, B debt financing, C government grant and D none of the above. So your time starts now. So the options, the correct option is D, none of the above, because equity financing, debt financing, and government grant are the startup options for entrepreneurs. The question is which of the following is not? So none of the above. Yes, are to option C. Then the next question number 11 is here on your screen. Entrepreneur contributes towards minimizing socio-economic problems. True or false? Your time starts now. Yes, it is true that entrepreneur contributes towards minimizing socio-economic problems. So we will move towards the question number 12. Which of the following are Government of India's startup initiatives? Options are A. Startup India, B. Make in India, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct option is both A and B. That is, Startup India and Making India are government's startup initiative. So correct option is both A and B. Then the question number 13 is here. Successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurships. Options are A true, B false. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is A true. जी हाँ बिल्कुल ये सही है. That is successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurships. Question number 14 is entrepreneurship degrades the standards of living. True or false? Your time starts now. So the correct option is B false. जी हाँ entrepreneurship जो है standards of live को बढ़ाता है ना कि उसको डिग्रेड करता है. So the correct option is B false. So question number 15 is here on your screen. Which of the following is not developed by entrepreneurships? Your options are A society, B economy, C nation, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. So time up. देखिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से सोसाइटी जो है वो भी डेवलप होती है, इकोनॉमिक जो है वो भी डेवलप होती है, नेशन जो होता है वो भी डेवलप होता है. बट हियर द क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट डेवलप्ड बाय एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी none of the above because all of these things are getting developed by entrepreneurship. So friends, that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session with the new topic. Till then, bye. So the next feature for the Plus and Iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for Plus and Iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's start. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. Now let me tell you about the offer for Plus and Iconic subscription from Unacademy. The key offer it is going to end on 23rd of August 2021, that is on Monday. देखिए, this is exciting mega offers for CBSE classes from class 6 to class 12th. So offer देखिए कैसे रहेंगे. If you are having the subscription CBSE subscription, then plus subscription and Iconic, that is for 12, 15 and 18 months, then you can get free CBSE subscription for 2 months. If you are having this subscription for 24, 36 and 48 months for Plus or Iconic, then you can have the free CBSE subscription for 4 months. And if you are having the subscription of the Iconic or Plus, that is for 60, 72 and 84 months, then you can get the totally 6 months. Yes, obviously 6 months free CBSE subscription. So likewise, if you are having the Plus and Iconic subscription for 12, 15 and 18 months, you can get the free Creative Corner subscription for 2 months. And same in the case for the 24, 36 and 44 months, 48 months का आपको अगर subscription रहेगा Plus और Iconic का, then you can get the 4 month subscription for Creative Corner, that is totally free. And the next one, that if you are having 60, 72 and 84 months Plus an Iconic subscription, then you can get the free Creative Corner subscription for 6 months. So you will be having the flat 10% discount on purchasing Plus subscription on for all the duration, and it is valid for the first 500 subscriptions only. So choice is here. With an Unacademy subscription, you can get the many benefits like unlimited access to 7 subjects and India's top educators to choose from. Obviously, you can get the full syllabus, that is NCERT dedicated plus courses. So subscribe now before it's too late, students. The next exams are just for the 2 months and you can get the 10% discount using educator referral code. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for 10% discount on Plus subscription for all the durations. So So we are having the mega launch on every Monday. So likewise for class 9, you are having the term 1 victory batch, which includes math, science, English, Sanskrit and SST, that is social sciences. So इसकी start date जो है it is going to start on the 16th of August 2021. So वैसे क्लास 9 के लिए टर्म 1 victory बैचेस जो है मैथ्स, साइंस, इंग्लिश, संस्कृत एंड SST, these are going to start on the 16th of August 2021. So we are having the mega launch every Monday. हर मंडे को ये जो हमारा होता है मेगा लॉन्च होता है. And obviously for class 10th, CBSE class 10th, you are going to have term 1 victory batch for math, science, English, Hindi and SSC. And its starting date is 16th of August 2021. Now for CBSE class 10th, we are having term 1 victory batch for maths, science, English, Hindi and SST, that is social sciences, and it is also going to start with the date that is 16th of August 2022. So these are nothing but the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises. So we are having the topmost educators from India. So jaldi कीजिए, you can use my code that is TD Live for flat 10% discount. So friends, let me tell you about the basic plan about the plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic, that is iconic जो है ये plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started, and yes obviously at iconic you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए plus के features क्या क्या है. You are having the India's best educators as well as the interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs also. एंड इन आइकॉनिक में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज एंड पीडीएफ्स आल्सो. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकॉनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, live interaction with your mentors also, and yes obviously parent connect भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, that is teacher parent connection रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकॉनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड दैट इज TD Live for flat 10% of discount for both, that is on the plus and iconic solution. So you can select the plus or iconic based on your choices. So उसके plans कैसे है देखिए. अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10th का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 for the 3 months, that is 2,500 for per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. If you are going for the 48 month subscription उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा and 830 will be for per month. देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए the same case for 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 and 40 months. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा with 4,000 per month. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज 6 months 17,000 रहेगा विथ 2,833 पर मंथ. देन 12 months का रहेगा 28,000. देन 15 months का रहेगा 32,000. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000. 24 months का रहेगा 48,000. 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 एंड 48 months का रहेगा 83,000. दैट इज 1,729 पर मंथ. सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10, 11 और 12 का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए. 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए. 6 month का रहेगा 3,000 के लिए. 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए. 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए. देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए. एंड लास्टली 36 month का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा. And the same case for the Iconic, that is for class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000. then 6 months का 17,000. 12 months का 28,000. 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए. ऑब्वियसली वैसे ही क्या रहेगा, 36 months का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, that is 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TDLive, for flat 10% off discount. So students, जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन that is based on your choice, that is Plus or Iconic, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए. चलिए फिर से एक बार अनअकैडमी का कॉमबैक जो है वो आ रहा है. वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट, दैट इज अनअकैडमी कॉमबैक. सो यू कैन विन स्कॉलरशिप्स वर्थ ₹1 crore एंड इट इज ऑन एवरी संडे. सो जो उसकी जो अनअकैडमी कॉमबैक जो लिंक है, इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो ये कैसे रहेगी, देखिए अनअकैडमी की हमारी जो है weekly scholarship test होगी. and yes, obviously you can start from enrolling for the free by using your Android phone also. अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप और पीसी है आप लोग वो भी यूज कर सकते हो. you can view the video solutions for these questions also. you can win the scholarships and exciting prizes. देखिए पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको स्कॉलरशिप भी मिलेगी, वो एक बेनिफिट रहेगा. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली यू कैन अपीयर फॉर द लाइव टेस्ट एंड दैट विल बी टोटली फ्री. सो इससे क्या होती है, आपकी वीकली प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाती है, सिलेबस भी आपका जो है वो कवर हो जाता है. यस, ऑब्वियसली इफ यू विन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस स्कॉलरशिप. ठीक है, इससे भी पहले हमारे बहुत सारे कॉमबैक जो हुए हैं, सो यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट फॉर फ्री. सो देखिए यहाँ पर इसका फॉर्मूला कैसे रहेगा, दैट इज अनअकैडमी कॉमबैक स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट. इट इज़ फॉर द CBSE क्लास 9th एंड क्लास 10th. सो आने वाला जो कॉमबैक है दैट इज ऑन द 22nd of August 2021 at 11 AM. सुबह 11 बजे जो है आपका स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट रहेगा. यू कैन विन स्कॉलरशिप्स वर्थ ₹1 crore. सो इसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा. देयर विल बी टोटल 30 क्वेश्चंस. 30 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे एंड यू आर गोइंग टू हैव 45 minutes to solve these 30 questions. And yes, obviously tests will be there in both English as well as in Hindi language. So you can choose as per your own choice. And the exam, that is the scholarship test, will be free live, which will be available on Android mobiles. So students, jaldi kijiye, enroll now. The link is given in the description box below. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TDLive, for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10% off. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try it all of the features for free using my code, that is TDLive. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.